Pleasant evening, each and everyone. I'm Abigail D. Pagalan, and together with my co-reporter, Mr. Menyes, Mr. Heralaga, and Ms. Maingue, we are going to talk about the organizational and marketing objectives, other marketing needs, variables, and channel numbers. So with that being said, let's head on to our introduction. So according to Pride and Ferrell 2009, pricing decision can be complex because of the numbers and factors need to consider. Now, if we're going to analyze what Pride and Ferrell says, it simply implies that one of the hardest things, price is one of the hardest things to do. Why? It is because there are a lot of things that need to consider. And in my own point of view, one of the hardest part in setting price is that you don't know how customers will react with the price that you set. That's why it is one of the hardest things to do. And also, price is an important consideration in marketing planning, marketing analysis, and sales forecasting. Price is important in planning because it helps business know what to do next, and it can help them guess how many products people will buy. So let's say for example, ang spot campaign na maligya sa burger. Ang price sa iyang burger kay 50 pesos. Human, 50 pesos siya kay buy one take one siya. So of course, since student friendly man siya, daghang sa mga students ang mamalit sa iyong burger. Now, if si spot campaign mabaligya siya ang burger na 100 pesos, human 100 each per burger, of course, gamay ang silang mamalit na students, it is because hindi siya affordable and hindi siya student friendly, considering that the student is still relying on their parents. Okay, now let's head on to our next topic, organizational and marketing mix. So according to Pride and Ferrell 2009, marketers should set prices that are consistent with the organization's goals and mission. So businesses should set price that match what their company wants to achieve and what it stands for. So of course, kung ang ilang company, ang goal nila is if ang goal sa store is mahimo siyang student friendly, of course, they must set their price lower. Now, if ang goal nila is mahimo siyang high class, of course, they will set their price higher than usual prices. Okay, next is marketing objectives. So according to Pride and Ferrell, one of the marketing objectives at American Iron Horse is to provide a product image focused on high quality, which is supported by the company's structure. Now, anyway guys, when we say Iron House, usa ni sa company na nagabaligya o mga luxurious na mga motorcycle na located siya sa USA. So ang isa sa ilang mga objective is mga luxurious nga mga motorcycle. So, dito sila nagabaligya o mga motorcycle na mga ship. So, kaya ang Iron House na company, siya ang example ni Pride and Ferrell, it is because they focus on high quality. So, okay, now let's head on to our next reporter.
So, good evening everyone. My name is Rana Ginaele. I am the second reporter. So, my topic is all about the type of pricing objective and the cost. So, first is the type of objective. According to Pride and Ferrell, 2009, price are applied market share and customer attraction. And temporary discount or sale to attract customers. So, according to the high Pride and Ferrell, that our price is very important because it can attract customers, it can earn a profit. But then some of the companies, they can lower the price to earn a profit. And also they can they can have a ability that they can have discount or they can offer discount to earn a profit. Then kanina siya is temporary na din na siya. So for example, ang mga companies naghatag ng discount, they can buy one take one or mga discount, then kanina siya is temporary na din na siya because if magdalong na siya, magdadayan siya, ang bilis lang maka-earn o profit or maka-affect sila ang company. Then next is the mabagit lang din siya feedback, special discount or rebate. So very important siya no, mag-set dapat ang price na to is kanang tama siya because it can affect or maka-paano sa business. Next is ang goal pa galing sa type sa pricing yun is to earn a profit and also to maintain a long-term business, like long-term success. Hindi lang siya temporary. Then next is according to Pride and Ferrell 2009, must cover all costs, selling, below cost and only short term. So according to the Try and Learner daw, mga samong company, they can lower the price to attract more customer. But it is short term na din siya because kung mas madukayan mo siya, maka-affect siya sa profit because it will affect the discount and also that. And pag mukhang ka ng ang mag-contact price, maka-affect ka sa cost like kanang magasto nato, like sa production nato because maka-affect na siya. Next is share cost, product distribution, affect price. So, motong di mo na kung ganina ang product, ang cost is mag-affect siya kay mo wala mo rin gasto ginato sa pag-uwan sa isang product. Then next is product cost, is a minimum store for the price. So, dapat daw ang cost dapat dili siya baba sa price. Muna siya ginatawag na minimum store kasi dapat pag magkatak ang price, dili siya kanang taas mo ang cost, magtaas pa yung cost kaysa sa inyong pag-set sa inyong price. Because wala kayo ma-earn na ma-profit. So, very important na siya magkatak ang price, dapat kabulog po sa ato ang cost na to. And my conclusion of my topic that it is very important to know the type of pricing objective and cost because we can makapulot ka unsa ang para ma-meet nato ang needs sa customer and dapat segment price because it can affect to the in profit and it can also help in the long-term success. That's all. Thank you.
So, good evening everyone. My name is Gerald Cardinalaga. My topic is all about the other marketing mix variables. So, price decisions are linked to other marketing mix like product, distribution, and promotion. So, the purpose of considering marketing mix variables is creating comprehensive effective marketing strategies. So, pag yung product and distributions and promotions, it is about the interact with pricing. Like, for example, if high of value ang isa ka or taas siya of quality, nakuha siya of prices. While pag hindi naman tawag distribution, it is how the product distribute to
activities. So after this, channel members expectation. So channel members expectation means that producer dictates about how distributors or dealer want to report any one of prices. So usually channel members expect benefits like discount or bulk orders. So rewards for paying are additional, such as training or promotion to help them to sell product. So according to your price WM and 2009, this means producers should always think about what seller, distributors or resellers expect before setting on product prices. So next is channel members often expect discount for large order or bulk payment. This means sellers usually want to cheaper prices if they buy and bulk. They also expect rewards or post if they pay on time.